and in this video I'll show you how to set up Boltz API with your coding agent. I already set it up with my Codex agent and it worked pretty well. I think their developer experience is very good. First thing that you have to do is you need to log in into api.boltz-bio in your account, and you should see this quick start page. Now, if you don't see the quick start page, which is possible, I figured out that if you go to another page like overview, then the quick start disappears. Don't worry, you can just add this /quick start at the end of your URL and you should see this page. If you don't see it, I'm going to send you the prompts in a message. So here, when I click on copy prompt, I can see 3 different prompts, one for Claude Code, for Codex, and for Gemini CLI. I'm going to show now this example with Claude Code. So I'm going to copy the prompt with Claude Code. I'm going to my Claude application. Now this can also be in a terminal app. It doesn't really matter if you're using a terminal or desktop app. I'm just going to paste the prompt here that we just copied. And now what the prompt does, it says, yeah, help me set up Boltz. It instructs how to install the Boltz CLI, sets up the Claude Code. We already have Claude Code here set up, but yeah, it's going to find these boltz-bio skills that they prepared for Claude Code, which is pretty cool as well. And then it runs a test prediction. So let's run this prompt and see what happens. For some reason, I couldn't set the bypass permissions mode, but I set auto, which should be good enough for this task. Now, thing is that since I already ran all these commands from Codex on my computer, I'm already authenticated there, so it did not show you. I could not show you now the flow of authentication. I'm going to ask it to log out and log in again so that I can show you the authentication flow in a moment. Okay, now this first prompt already ran, and it looks like it all worked. I just want to, show you the login, how will the authentication look when you do it from scratch. So it will just directly redirect you to this page, and you just have to allow access. There will be this device code, and the same device code should be shown. Okay, here it doesn't show it, but when I was logging in with Codex, it did. But it doesn't really matter, just allow access. And now when you go back, it's going to, it's going to check if you logged in, and yeah, you logged in, all good. I logged in with my work account. So now one thing I want to do is to visualize the result of this prediction, right? Because it just created some files and I have no idea how this looks. Now I will ask it. Now, can you visualize the result of the test prediction? I'm still downloading. But yeah, basically from here, you're already good to go. Got all the metrics, let me visualize them. Now, while it's running things to visualize this job for me, I want to show you a little bit around the Boltz API. So here you have the jobs that you've done before. I have done 2 jobs because I've done one with Codex and one I have done it now. And there should be also somewhere the overview of the price of your job. These are API keys, workspaces, yeah, usage. Okay, interesting. So in billing, you can see how much you've spent in this period and how many credits you have available. And then members, I think you can just add members of your organization here. And that's pretty much it. Now, you will want to do probably more things than, oh, wow, this is not kind of visualization I wanted. Actually, this is also very interesting because when I asked Codex to visualize this prediction, it made this, visualization of the structure itself. And here just did some statistics for me. Let me ask it if it can make this kind of visualization. Okay, and now what I wanted to show you is the documentation, because now we try to do this structure and binding prediction, but there are also other things like predict small molecule, design small molecules, etc. You walk through this yourself, and Now, when you will like something here that you want to do, and obviously you don't have to like read the code or anything, just the job itself, you can just copy this markdown, or you can directly open it in Claude, or just copy markdown and type your prompt, what you want to do, and then paste this markdown here, because this markdown will give instructions on how to do this particular prediction to Claude with this API. So yes, I think that's it for now. Let's see if Claude Code will be able to do the same visualization as Codex did for me. But I think this information should be enough for you to start. And if you will have any questions, let me know. I'll try my best to help you out. Okay, very interesting. So now I don't know how good this visualization is, to be honest. And I think you will have to judge this, because this viewer is custom, and this looks a little bit more sketchy to me than the one that we got from Codex. But this is already beyond the scope of this video anyway. So yes, that's it for now.